Dulcimer capo. Maybe you didn't know that the dulcimer can have a capo. Alright, this is called Replica. Under a replica of the Liberty Bell with the crack in the metal, we shelter from the rain. This bell is owned by a landlord of renown. He shakes his fist at our pictures, but never deigns to come down. Some things I bought and others I found. I guess I thought that the world being round would be steep and even. Pushing your wheelchair on the cobblestones of Rome, or a city that's a little bit more like home. Sorry, it's cobblestones, we didn't think ahead, did we? Arrested by what we should have known again. Sometimes I lied, but some things I meant. Some things I'm trying hard to forget. A feat of dreaming. It's just a replica, not technically true. What I erected, I am skeptical will do. Ooh, 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 ooh. Tornado warning, we laugh at it from the hills where we're living, but we shelter with the neighbors downstairs. A friend of a friend there says I'm fasting for the day to make my body listen to me and be scared of my name. Some things are real and others are fake. Sometimes I feel like it's all a mistake or a repeat on TV. It's just a replica, not technically true. What I erected, I am skeptical will do.